Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. One of the things that Neville says is that when you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and cross a bridge of incidents and feel compelled to right action, your desired end will come forth in a way not only that nobody could have planned, but in a way that will seem so natural that you'll think it would have happened anyway. Another aspect of that I'm noticing is not just do I think it would have happened anyway, but I think, did this happen because I used the law? No, it couldn't have happened because I used the law. This wasn't the law. An example was a medical issue I had a couple years ago. I went to the end of good health, and then all these things happened, and in the end, it had me doubting myself, thinking, I know I used the law, but was it the law, or was it the doctors and the medication and all that? Just my experience. What's yours? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching.